Hello, I wanted to give you a little introduction and also just a closer look at this amazing hand brush. This is a 12-inch brush and it's about 7 inches along the bottom. I absolutely love the fact that it is slightly slanted so that way it fits perfectly in your hand. I really love using this around all of my plants. I'm also a mom. It makes easy cleanup of small messes. Even in the car is a perfect place to use this. There's so many different ways that you can use this and it is so handy. If you look at the detail here, this is sorghum grass and look at the detail of that handle. It is absolutely beautiful, woven there. The quality of this is just amazing. This one has this little loop, so if you wanted to hang it, you could do that to store it. But I also love that this one comes with this little bag, so you can store it in here as well. Keep this handy. This would be perfect for camping trips or anytime you have a little mess to clean up. This works so well. I'm always so impressed with this brand, their quality. Overall, I'm super pleased with this, and I think that if you give them a chance, you're gonna be just as happy with it.